Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and it has an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Outside the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the 8-inch touchscreen that features 3D navigation, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 6,500 miles and is packed full of some great tech. You also get blind spot detection, speed limit recognition, there's lane positioning assistance, and the car can even call emergency services in the event of an accident. But if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.